Welcome to AutoSolidCreology by the Dallas Cat Boys. Today we have a Creo session open, Creo 8, and I will be demonstrating the difference between a cylindrical extrude and a cylindrical revolve. The difference off the top is the references. One uses one reference, the other uses two references. Neither one is wrong. Just preference. So let's get into it. I have some datum planes set up here. I have top, I have right, I have front. We're going to sketch both of these features on the front plane. We're going to use two different axes. Okay, let's do the revolve first. So if I want to revolve on this front plane, I'm going to select that axis. And I'm going to go up here and hit revolve. And so it wants me to select a sketching plane. Like I said, we're going to use the front plane. Front throws me in the sketcher mode. So your sketch view button over here throws you into the 2D mode where you can do your revolve. First thing you need for a revolve is an axis of revolution. It's going to be that icon right there. Bang. You want to put it here. It'll snap. Don't worry. You can angle it if you want to dimension it with an angle, but just let it snap. And there you are. And so now you want to create your revolve. It's just a line, sketch, just sketch. We're going to go across the datum planes. Sketch. I'm going to give it an ID also. Sketch, lock it in. So now it's saying, hey, how do you want me to dimension? I can dimension it like this. I can leave it like this and make it the revolve. But just kind of want to show you some dimensioning schemes to your revolve. Sometimes you have a center line. You want to hit dimension. You want to hit from this line to your center line, back to that line, gives you that OD, that diameter dimension, versus your linear dimension. Now, if you want to keep your linear dimension just to know what it is, just go pick that control and pick right there. And you can also always make either of them reference. We're going to make that one reference. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the OD. We're going to dimension from this line, hold control, hit your center line, back to your line, and that's your OD dimension. Okay? Here, we want to make these two lines symmetric about this center line. As you can see, it's kind of off right now. So we're going to hit that symmetric button, symmetric about this center line, which I did not put in. Sorry. I need to put a center line in there first. Okay? We're going to go symmetric about this center line, this point, and that point. And it just shifts the part, removes the linear dimension here. And so now we can just make that a strong dimension and dimension our part. Let's make it, I don't know, 30 inches long. That's fine. ID can be 5. Let's make the OD 10. Okay? And go back to your sketch view. And so here's your part. This is reference dimension. Here are your dimensions, kind of skewed out. So we're going to hit OK there. And here we want to go, when we extrude it, it's asking me, here you can't go any depth. It's asking me, do I want to go all the way around 360? I can go to 180. I can go 270. We're going to leave it 360 all the way around. And you go OK. Control D is your default. So that is your cylindrical part using two references, and it's using the right plane to extrude about, and it's using the top plane as a center line. So we're gonna suppress that part. Well, no, we're not gonna suppress it. Let's just hide it. No, let's suppress it. And so now we're going to use a different center line for the same kind of extrude. I'm going to extrude. We're going to say, not a revolve. We're going to just extrude it. And now it's asking me again, what are you going to sketch on? I want to sketch on that same plane as the other. And go to your sketch view. And no center lines needed, no nothing. Just go right to your circle. Create it. Give it a diameter. What do we use? 20? No, we used 10, didn't we? We used 10. If you want to give it an ID, you can sketch another ID here. I guess I should do that just to make it look like the other. But both of them can use the same. And I think I made this one 5. Nope, it may have been different. This is 20, this is 10. There we go. Okay, so now let's check the references. References, oh man, golly. I still got these two. I didn't want that. Let's get rid of those. And now your sketch is saying, hey, I have nothing placed. I can't create myself. You got to pick something. Just give me the axis, my first axis. Is it the first axis? Which one did I want? Nope, not that one. We don't want that one. It was the axis 2. That first. All you need to place it, fully placed. That's what you want. Hit OK. Control D. Now here, it wants you to give it an extrude distance. Now, I'm just going to go symmetric here. And we did 30 on the other one. Let's go 30. So it's going to go 15 that way, 15 this way, about this datum plane front that I sketched on. And your part is created. And Control D. Just different orientations. So let's see if I resume this one. So there you go. Got one same cylindrical part feature, I should say. One's using an extrude and an axis. One's using a revolve and 2 datum planes. And there you are. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you like more content like this.